Hello everyone, this is Paradox PS. Welcome back to another video. This will be part 2 of Roux example solve. So for a scramble, here we go. Okay, so first thing I see is these two, and then I see this corner here can fit right here, so I'm looking for this edge, and I see that I can insert this into here in 2 moves, and then I look for the other 2 pieces, which is corners here and then the edges here. So after I do U and then M and then D prime to insert them into here, then I see this will be here, and then this edge will be here, and I'll have to do an R2. You'll see what I mean. So I insert this here, and then I do an R prime, and then as I said, don't mind that, I have to move this away, R2, and then insert. So that's first block, and then I see DRs here. So what I do here is R wide prime, and then I see this is here, so insert like that. And then for this case, what I do is I move this corner here, take this edge out, and then put it at the bottom here, and then I can set these 2 here. And now CMLL, and then I have this good arrow, which is side bottom, so do that, and then I can see my 4C case here. Alright, next one. Okay. Right off the bat, I see these 2, but I see this edge isn't in the best spot, and the center isn't either, so I won't do that probably. When I look at this, not that good. I'm looking at this now. Not that good either. So I'm looking at this green now. And the green looks okay because I see that this and this are just an M2 from pairing. So if I do M2 and then B prime, that'll insert them here. And then this edge will be green here. So then I can do an F prime to put this corner here so that these 2 will pair. So I do an M2, insert these in the back, and then I do F prime. So now these 2 are set up, so insert them there. And then here DR isn't in the best spot, but I just do that. And then I see that I can cancel instead of just solving DR like this. I can do R prime to set these up. And then as I'm inserting them, I do wide R prime, set these up, insert. Then I have this nice CMLL. And then here I have this EOLR where I can set it up into a good arrow like this. And then I get a skip. So next one. Okay, so right here I see I have this pair. This edge is in the best spot. Neither is this, so I probably won't use this pair, but we'll see. I see that this edge can connect with the center like this, so I'm looking at that now, and looks like I can work with it. So But then this corner isn't in the best spot after you do that, but I'll still work with it. So if I insert these two into here, then these two are in the back, so I just do an RY2 and then set them up here and insert them in the front. And now here, I do this. I separate this edge from this corner, and then I'd regroup them here, so that creates a square, and then insert it like this, and then I see this edge, so I can set up to a 3-mover, insert, and same CML as last time, and then I have this nice EOLR set up to good arrow, and then 4C. Had to get a new scramble there. Okay, so the only thing I see here is, well, right off the bat are these two, but I also see this corner here which can connect with that, so looks pretty good. I just gotta find the edge, which is right here, and I could do a B prime and M prime to get it here. So I'm looking at the other edges. I mean, I'm probably gonna do this because like I don't see anything else, so I'm just gonna go for it. That makes her square, and then these two edges, I mean this edge in this corner, I would do B prime to get this up, and then R so I can combine these, insert into the back. Not the greatest second block here, well, second block opportunities, so I just do an R wide prime, or no, R2 wide, my bad. And then instead of just inserting this with an R2, I know that this edge here is blue on the bottom, and if I did this, these two would make a bad case, so instead I do this to connect them, and then insert, and I did a wide move because I don't want these two right next to each other, so I can just cancel, do that, and then CMLL, and then here we have a pretty nice EOLR, so set up to good arrow, we have side bottom, and then I see this 4C case. Okay, next one. Okay, so this looks pretty good. I mean, I see a bunch of stuff. I see these two first of all. This edge can connect, but it's on the wrong side, so might use that, might not, we'll see. And then I see these three, and whenever I see this, I try to work with it because I know I can do mismatched centers, which I like to do. But I see that this corner and this edge would actually go nicely, and that would be that would be a 3-move first block with missing center, so that'd be really nice. Or I also see this and this, which is literally 2 moves away. In this case I'd do this because I wouldn't have to fix the center later, so I would insert this in the back, and then these two, insert them in the front, and as you can see, this pair managed to survive, so I'm going to try to preserve it. So in order to do that, I can do a U pre-move, so that when I insert DR it doesn't break, and I can go right into inserting this. Fortunately we get a bad case there, but do that. The CMLL, and then for this case I just do M prime U2M, and you still get a good arrow. Cancel, cancel, and there you go. Okay, last one. So I see this line here. So I'm trying to look to see if I can do line. It looks like it can, because this edge, if I did this, it would pair. And then I also see this corner. I can insert this like that right next to this one. So what I would do is I would do D, just to set this up, and then M to insert this edge, and then insert this here, and then that makes our first block. So here, DRs are already in. I would note these two and then set them up like that, insert, and then these two, just like that. The CMLL, and then good arrow here, and I know I'm gonna cancel inserting LR edges just from seeing this, so go right into that. And then here I have another cancellation. Instead of doing this, I just go right into here. So very short LSC. And yeah, that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching.